difference between a full tummy tuck and a mini tummy tuck can be summarized as three. Firstly, the scar from a full tummy tuck is generally much longer than a mini tummy tuck. Secondly, a mini tummy tuck mainly addresses the amount of excess tissue between the belly button and the pubis. It does not really address any bulges or any fatty tissue that are outside this zone. And thirdly, in a mini tummy tuck, generally no muscle tightening is performed. On the other hand, in a full tummy tuck, the muscle is tightened and brought together, some liposuction may be added in for body contouring, and the scars tend to be longer. Overall, the results are more dramatic from a full tummy tuck than they are from a mini tummy tuck.